Right there's a little whirlpool draining the 6-foot deep ditch right next to the road. There's a little bit of water that actually did crest up over the road a little bit earlier. You know, it's pretty much caught up to itself right now. Here on the other side of the road, I don't know if you can see it or not, got a little bit of a washout where it overflowed the road. And down there at the culvert where it's coming out, it's flowing at about easily thousands of gallons a minute into my little creek. Sounds like a full-on river, but it ain't. I know some folks around the world have been getting massive rain, and this ain't nothing compared to none of that. But we're looking at 3 inches, or yeah, they're about 3 inches in 9 hours. So we're flash flooding. So anyone out, y'all be safe. And if you don't have to be out, don't get out. I'll talk at y'all later.